Okay, I decided to start another project I've been thinking about for at least over a year. And that is I'm going to add some more accent to the ceiling in the basement. So years ago I thought it'd be cool if we painted all the floor joists. So imagine above your head, all black. And that way it would just, lighting would stand out. I thought it'd be a cool effect. I'd been in a restaurant before. I've seen it before, and it is cool. So that's cool, but it also leads to the ability to add some accent pieces to the ceiling. So we have these miscellaneous hardwoods, northeastern hardwoods. We have some red oak, some cherry, some maple, some white ash, another red oak, another maple with some curly in it. Well, no, this might not be maple. This could even be like a birch. Yeah, hard to say. It's heavier than, seems denser. This one almost has the look of a little hickory right here, but I don't think it is. So anyways, so we're going to rip these pieces. So imagine on the ceiling, we're going to make these like starbursts is what I'm thinking. So it sounds kind of crazy maybe, but I think it's going to come together and look really cool. So my first thing is to separate them by width. So for example, if maybe this will produce a nice 2.5 wide piece, I need a bunch of 2.5s. And then I'll need a bunch of 3s and a bunch of 1.5. So I'm going to go through my stack. I've already kind of separated them by width. I'm going to start ripping them down, and then I may plane both edges. Really don't need both edges, although that would give me more flexibility. Or I could sand one edge, but if I can plane one edge, it'll save a lot more time. And then I can cut them for length, and we can start putting them together. So anyways, it's not going to make much sense until you start seeing it come together. But I'm excited. I think it'll be cool. And then we'll just natural coat them with oil, let them dry well, and then we'll put them on the ceiling and do that starburst effect.